Hello everyone. So today I am going to talking about an initiative that is taken by D2C, that is Dare to Compete platform. So those who do not know what is D2C, so it is a global technical hiring platform which is used by many renowned company named Intuit, Walmart, Myntra, etc. So you can take part in these hiring challenges and can get hired by these companies. So today it has declared an initiative named D2C Recruitables, in which more than 32 companies will take part to hire new graduates or would-be graduates of 2022 and 2023 batches. So you just have to pay a minimal charge, that is rupees 99, only for first 1,000 applicants, and we will get back to this later. So the first thing is, what are the companies that are taking part in this hiring? So if you land on this page, you can see the company names. The first company is Intuit, which is hiring for mainly batch 2022, and the CTC is up to 32 LPA, which covers base plus variable amounts. The next is for 2023 batch, again by Intuit, and it is an internship opening, and the stipend will be rupees 80,000 per month. The next is Walmart Global Tech. The CTC is around 20 to 24 LPA, and the batches that are eligible are 2022 for full-time and 2023 for internship. The next is Myntra, which is providing CTC around 18 to 21 LPA, and the batches allowed are 2020 and 2019. The next company is Tata Class H, which is providing CTC around 8 to 10 LPA, and the batch eligible is 2021. Next is JustPay. So it's giving INR 13 to 18 LPA as CTC, and the batches that are eligible are 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022. So if you land on this page, you can get all the company details that are taking part in this hiring challenge. That means the companies that will be hiring through this challenge. So you just have to click on view all option, and you will get all the company names that are hiring through this challenge. And if you go down or scroll down, you can see the many companies are still showing coming soon. That means these companies are yet to be confirmed that they will be taking part in this challenge. Now, what are the timelines? So they are mainly hiring for the software development engineer or internship. And the timeline is, at first we have to register for this challenge on the D2C platform by clicking on this register option, and the last date to apply for this recruitment drive is 19 September 2021 up to 11:59 p.m. IST, and it's an individual contest, so only you are allowed to give, no group is allowed. So what are the deadlines? So after registering, there will be at first a general aptitude test, which will be taken from 13 September 2021, 10 a.m. IST to 19 September 2021, 11:59 IST. So it will be a general aptitude test. There you will face some MCQ assessment on general aptitude, logical reasoning, critical thinking, quant, etc. The guidelines will be provided here. If you want to see, then you just have to click on this guidelines option, and you will get the guidelines to give this test. And all these tests will be taken on this D2C platform. Then after giving this general aptitude test, you will be getting another test email notification, which will be evaluated on your computer science fundamental skills, where you will face some computer science basic questions. Obviously, it's a MCQ type question, and it will be held on 30th September 2021, 10 a.m. IST, and will be continued till 19th September 2021, 11:59 p.m. IST. The next will be a soft skill assessment, which is a very important assessment to get hired by these companies. And this will be also held on 13 September 2021, 10 a.m. IST to 19 September 2021, 11:59 p.m. IST. And after this, the last assessment, which is an optional assessment, you can give, or either you can skip it. or you can give it. It's up to you, but it's preferable to give it because some of the companies will require your elementary online coding assessment marks to get you considered for their hiring challenge. So it is also written there that this assessment will test you on two very basic logical coding problems and one advanced DS and algo problem. And this is an optional test. That means it's up to you. You can either skip it or give it, but it's preferable and because it is required for few companies, and the D2C platform is also recommended taking this assessment as well. And it will be also held from 13 September 2021 10 a.m. IST to 19 September 2021 11:59 p.m. IST, and you will be getting email notification for this test one by one. That means at first you will get notification for the general aptitude assessment, and after completing it you will be getting another email for evaluation on your computer science fundamental skills and so on. And after clearing all these four assessment, your all total assessment score will be sent to all the companies that are taking part in this initiative. And based on their cutoff, you will be getting the interview call. And it is also written here that based on your performance in above four assessment, companies will shortlist you for the interview, and the timelines and other details will be communicated to you by the company itself. Now, what are the requirements to take part in this challenge? So the basic thing is that if you do not have any account in D2C platform, the first thing is that you just have to sign up, and the sign up form is very basic form. You just have to give your name, batch, your stream, your college name, etc. And after that, you will get, I'll be sharing this link in my video description, and after clicking on this you will be landed on this page. And after signing up or logging into the D2C platform, you just have to click on the register button and you will get the registration form. So the all the details are written here also that I have said before, that you just have to take all the four assessment to get assessed on some key and relevant skills, and you need to take up each assessment on one sitting. That means only one attempt is allowed, and if you face any technical glitches, then you just have to contact the D2C technical support team. And when you start any particular assessment, you need to complete that in one sitting. And however, you can have gaps between all the four assessment that I have said earlier, that after completing the general aptitude and logging logical reasoning MCQ test, you will be getting another email after some time to give the basic programming fundamental MCQ test and so on. So what is the eligibility criteria? So the students who are pursuing a full-time BTech, BE, MTech, ME or equivalent program and are from the batches 2022 and 2021 are eligible for all the internship and full-time opportunities. They will be getting the pre-placement offers if they get selected from the interview by the respective companies. Now, the ones who are pass out of 2021, 2020 and 2019 batches, that means who are working in some companies or finding new opportunities, they can also sit for this hiring contest. Now, what you will get. So if you do not at all get any opportunity for interview, you can get featured and certified by the D2C platform, and you will get unlimited access to their variety of courses that are available on this D2C platform, and that's it. And you will be getting the D2C Pro membership worth 999 per year once you enroll yourself for this recruitment drive, and your profile and score will be visible to all the hiring partners for the next 6 months. That means that means all the marks down, all the total marks that you have acquired from this, that you will acquire from these four assessments will be reflected on your profile. And any companies in future, if they hire through D2C platform, if you are eligible according to the criteria, then your marks will be sent to the company authorities, and you can have the interview opportunity at that time also. So what are the ranking criteria that I have said earlier? That means you have to pay a minimal amount to get registered in this recruitment drive. So for the first 1,000 applicant, the price will be INR 99, and for the next 10,000 applicants, the price will be 499, and the next 10,000 applicants, the price will be 699 rupees, and the rest will pay the full amount, that is the actual amount for this recruitment drive, that is 999. And aside from this, you will be getting 12 months D2C courses for free if you register on this platform for this recruitment drive. So as I said earlier, that the 19th September 2021, 11 up to 11:59 p.m. you have time to register for this contest, and the assessment will be also end on 19th September. That means if you registered before 13th September, then you will be having your assessment on 13th September 2021, and after this so on, and the whole process will be ended on 19th September 2021. That means the registration, the 4 assessment, that's it. And if you have any more question, then you can see the FAQ section, or you can also post your queries after registering or after signing up on the D2C platform, or otherwise you can see all the FAQs here. That's it. So that's for today. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.